Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Negaunee is a small city in the Upper Peninsula of Michigan, located in Marquette County, just west of the city of Marquette. Today, it has a population of just over 4,000 people, surrounded by forests, lakes, and rolling hills. The name Negaunee comes from an Ojibwe word often translated as pioneer, a fitting description for a place shaped by early industry and exploration. The history of Negaunee is closely tied to iron ore mining, which began in the area in the mid-19th century. In 1844, iron ore was first discovered nearby, setting off a mining boom that would define the region for decades. The Jackson Mine, one of the first successful iron mines in the Lake Superior region, opened soon after and helped establish Negaunee as a key player in Michigan's early industrial growth. Railroads were built to transport the ore to ports along Lake Superior, connecting the town to national and international markets. As mining expanded, Negaunee grew quickly. Immigrants from countries like Italy, Finland, and Ireland came to work in the mines. By the late 19th and early 20th centuries, the city was a busy and productive mining hub. Over time, however, mining declined, and many of the operations eventually closed. Despite this, the legacy of mining remains an important part of the city's identity. Today, Negaunee blends its industrial past with a quieter, outdoor-focused lifestyle. The surrounding landscape offers year-round recreation, including hiking, fishing, and snowmobiling. In the winter, the area is known for its long seasons of snow, making it a popular destination for cross-country skiing and other cold weather activities. The Iron Ore Heritage Trail, which runs through Negaunee, allows visitors to explore the region's history while enjoying scenic views of the Upper Peninsula. The downtown area reflects the city's heritage, with historic buildings, local shops, and community spaces that highlight its small-town character. Landmarks like the Negaunee City Hall and the nearby mining sites serve as reminders of the city's roots. Negaunee may be modest in size, but its story is deeply connected to the development of Michigan's Upper Peninsula. From its early days as a booming mining town to its present as a peaceful community surrounded by natural beauty, it remains a place where history and landscape come together in a meaningful way. Thanks for watching!